The bedroom is one of the most important rooms in the house as it is the place where we relax and understood after a long day. It is a space where we can be outside, flow and comfortable. Here are some bed decor ideas to help you create a crazy and welcome space. Choose a color scheme. The first step in decor and your bedroom is choose a color scheme. There, if you test, you can go for a natural blonde or bold color depend on your professional. For a soul ambition, choose soft a style white for a demise. Go for depend rain time and some Arthur World is a great way to be professional lazy. Your bedroom decor choose price the that are your professional. Add some glossary plant are great way to add some life and color to your bedroom decor. Choose plant that in low light colors and snake plant perfect place decor in total plant. They are not only add beauty to the room but also help the air. Use Decoration pillows are an excellent way to add some texture and color to your bed. Maximum daffodils and match or and color to create a crazy and invites look. The bedroom is one of, of the most important room in the house as it is place where we rest and window after a long day.